Good morning, my dear students. Today I will start class 2 maths long division method. When it is division time, on that time here is division sign. Okay, 48 divided by 6. That means 6 will be right here and 48 will be right in the within this sign. Okay, at first we will count or the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 20, 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. So we should write here 48. But 0 is in the left. That means which number we have to divide it, that is called the dividend. And by which number we should divide it, that is called the divisor. That means it will be goes as divisor. And this number or this number we can divide it. Divide, that means it will be dividend. Dividend. Okay. And the answer of the division, it is called the quotient. 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 Right over here 8 and 0 is in the left, that means 0 is in the remainder. Okay, this one is the process. So at first I will tell you the division. In the division method, operation of division, on that time 4 terms are there. One is divisor, second one is dividend, and third one is quotient, and the fourth one is or last one is remainder. Quotient is a result of the division, it is called the quotient. Dividend, which number you can be divided, that is called the dividend. And by which number you can divide, that is called the divisor. And which one will be left after division. If 0 is in the left after division, that means 0 is in the remainder. Okay, so suppose it is 5. Right over here 365 and right over here 7. At first count the table of 7. At first I will tell you, when it is division time, on that time you will start from your extreme left. If it is one digit, on that time I will take at first one digit. If one digit is less than the divisor, 3 is less than divisor, on that time we should write here take 2 digits. Okay, then we will count the table of 7. 7 5s are 35, so we should write here 35. After that 1 is left. After that I will take 5 from dividend. 7 2s are 14, so we should write here 14. 1 left, that means 1 will be goes as remainder. Do you understand? I will tell you again. If we should divide it by one digit, on that time at first I will take one digit, just one digit, and you will start division time, you will start from your extreme left. I will take at first 3 or one digit, that means I will take from our extreme left. Okay, if the divisor will be one digit, on that time I will take at first one digit from our extreme left. If it will be less than the divisor, on that time I will take 2 digits. If here is 3 is less than 7, on that time I will take, or that's why I will take 36 or 2 digits number 36. So 7 5, then I will count the table of 7 because 7 is a divisor. 7 will be right here as a divisor, so we should count the table of 7. 7 5s are 35. After that 6 minus 5, that is 1. 3 minus 3, that is 0. If 0 is in the extreme left, on that time not necessary to write here. After that I will take 5 from the dividend. 5 is here, and then I will also count the table of 7. 7 2s are 14. If it will be 7 3s are 21. 21 is greater than 15. That's why we should take 7 2s are 14, because 14 is less than 15. So we should write here 14. After that, subtract the number. 5 minus 4, that will be 1. 1 minus 1, that will be 0. So 1 is left after division. So 1 will be goes as remainder, and 52 will be goes as quotient, and dividend obviously 365, and divisor will be 7. Okay. So these are the long division method of division. So these are your homework. After that I will tell you when it is division time. When you are equally divided anything else, anything you should divide it by equally, that is called the division work. On that time we should do the division. 108 had to be shared by a brother and sister. Brother and sister, that means 2 members are there. That's why we should divide it by 2. We should divide 108 divided by 2, because one is brother and one is sister. How much money did it get? So long division work, you should do the division like this. After that I will tell you the problem will be here, and so 4 operations are there. Which one is the correct? You should write here the correct or circle it. Okay. Read the questions given below and circle the operations to find the solution. Circle the operations. There are 47 bananas in the bowl. If I eat 7 bowls, that means 7 bananas gone. How many are left? When it is left, on that time you should do the division, subtraction. So we should circle the subtraction and solution it and solve it. That means 47 minus 7, that will be 40. You should do like this. Okay, so these are your homeworks from page number 131 to page number 134. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you for watching. And you should do at first you will practice it. After that you will do the homework. Okay, thank you.